Hey, if you want to use Google Maps offline, first of all, you will have to be connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data. And next, you have to click on the right upper corner on your profile and tap to select offline maps. And now from here, you will have to select your own map. So now, let's say that I want to get the part of Dallas. So I have to zoom in. And let's say that I want to get this part of the offline map. And I have to click download. Now that's the downloading process, and you will have to actually wait until it will be finished. So as you can see right here, we can follow this downloading process. And after this, you will be able to click right here and go into the offline maps and then open it like this in my case. And you will be able to navigate easily without the internet and location. That's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.